come out here in my yard, you'll see a box. So here's my water valve. Turned it like that. So we got the spigot out here. So we call it a hose bib. Got a little leak in here. I've tightened it, and it's just getting to the point where I got the constant drip. Well, I want to fix that. I'm gonna turned off the water. I'm gonna go ahead and release all the water. You can hold right here in place. You can get a wrench on right here. We don't have any leaking out the packing nut, okay? This is the packing nut. If you did, you would just tighten that up a little bit. But there's no leaking out the packing nut. It's down in the valve stem. I do have a new valve, and what you have down in there in the valve, if it's like this, right? So when you look down the valve, you have that little washer in there, okay? Sometimes those get brittle, they break up, and I got this little pack right here. We will find the size we need, but we need to take it off first. I'm gonna use the vice grip to hold it in place. All right, get on there like that. Hold that one in place. That booger don't want to turn. Nope. Hit that with a little penetrating oil. See if that's gonna work in. I would like to change that, but I think it's just gonna strip out. But I'll have to loosen this nut up. Let me loosen this nut up, the packing nut, just a little bit, so I can get this one on here. That thing is on there. So I actually might just put this one on here. You know what? Screw it, I'll just change the whole thing out. Just take the whole thing off, and I'll just take the whole thing off and we'll replace it. Okay, so be it. I'm trying my best to take off the old Teflon. You just want to make sure you don't damage the threads. You want to put it in the direction that you're tightening it. So if you're going to be tightening it to the right, put your Teflon on to the right. I leave that in so it doesn't get all balled up on there. And that should do it. Put a little bit of a pipe thread sealant. Poke a hole. This might be overkill. You might be fine with just the Teflon. And then we'll go ahead and start turning this one on. Got it on there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go turn the water back on, and then we'll try this out. This is how your water setup is in Texas, at least San Antonio, Texas. So we'll go ahead and turn this back. Okay, now we got the water back on. It's good to know where your water shutoff is. In case you have a leak, you're not, sweating bullets trying to figure that out. So let's go ahead and try out the new faucet. Turn the water back on. And shuts it off with no drip. So if you like the video, we didn't get to take this off. It's got hard water. This house doesn't have a water filter. Ordinarily, you would have this, you would hold this in place, get a longer wrench, and turn this counterclockwise, and you would take off that nut from that stem, the valve stem, and it would come loose. But it was just it's an old hose bib, it's an old faucet, and it just got all corroded with calcium buildup. So if you like these little home fix-it videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.